Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining in today for our Shopify and QuickBooks integration demonstration. Um, Before I jump into the actual product demo, I'd like to run you all through a quick background about DBSync, post which I will take you through a live instance where we have some records created within Shopify and demonstrate how the sync gets invoked and how data gets pushed into your QuickBooks or any other accounting for that matter. All right, so real quick, let me jump into a bit of a background about DBSync. So we're primarily an iPaaS, an integration platform built out to integrate cloud apps with other cloud or on-premise applications to increase data usability across your company. And not just usability, but of course visibility to different teams. We started off as one of the first 10 companies to be incubated by Salesforce, and we're pretty much the preferred choice of integration solution for Salesforce and QuickBooks and other accounting integrations. We've been featured in the Gartner Magic Quadrant since 2016, and this would be the third year in a row where we've been featured in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for iPaaS worldwide as a niche player. We're headquartered out of Nashville, Tennessee, and have offices in San Francisco and Bangalore, India. And we have over 600 plus active DBSync customers who are primarily using our Salesforce and QuickBooks integration. However, a lot of them are also using our other product lines like Salesforce replication and other e-commerce app integrations with their CRMs, accounting, and ERPs. All right. So to give you a quick background about our product lines, so we have, of course, our cloud workflow, which is our iPaaS infrastructure. Um, we we are going to look into that in more detail shortly. However, we also have two other product lines, one being cloud replication for Salesforce, which is more of a data warehousing solution to back up and archive your Salesforce data. Likewise, we have copy data management for Salesforce, which is more Salesforce, to basically replicate your Salesforce instance with another Salesforce instance for testing and, to perform data migrations, troubleshoot any production issues, and so on. With that being said, like I mentioned, we have over 600 plus active customers. However, here in this slide, you see, some of our key accounts, and we of course work with some of large enterprises like Philips Healthcare, Scotiabank, World Bank, and so on. With that being said, here this slide basically depicts our cloud workflow iPaaS architecture. And here you see how DBSync can be leveraged to basically build an ecosystem of connected apps with DBSync, of course, at the center of it all, simply because we have a host of, connectors pre-built for your CRMs, e-commerce applications, accounting and ERPs, databases, and so on. So with that being said, DBSync can be leveraged to integrate your entire e-commerce operations, right from auto fulfillment for applications like Channel Advisor, Shopify, which are directly integrated with your online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Jet, Walmart, and so on. And leverage DBSync to integrate your auto fulfillment systems like Shopify and Channel Advisor with inventory management or warehouse management solutions like SKUWall. Integrate your shipping and logistics. Have your entire e-commerce shipping and logistics being taken care of via ShipStation. Push all of your order data, product information, or even inventory for that matter into your sales CRMs like Salesforce or Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Or even, integrate with your accounting and ERPs like QuickBooks, NetSuite, Microsoft Dynamics, GP, Nav, Sage One, and so on. You could also leverage DBSync to have your auto fulfillment systems directly integrated with your databases to build BI and your analytics stacks. And of course do so much more with your databases with all of your e-commerce data being pushed into your database. All right. So here, this slide, of course, with any integration project in mind, the first thing comes to, mind is your data usable? You have your sales data on your Salesforce or Microsoft Dynamics CRM, or any other CRM for that matter. Is that data visible to your accounting, or are they, are required to do double data entry, and of course increasing a lot of chances of human errors, and compromising your data integrity. So which is why DBSync, any integration solution like DBSync comes into picture to have all of your data integrated, have it available to different teams, and make have complete data visibility across all of your operations. DBSync, of course, it's not just we just don't do data integration. We also, build a lot of custom workflows and data transformation and data automation um, uh, behind the scenes in order to completely fit into your business requirements and business processes. So you can build rules, business rules, criterias, which on being fulfilled is only when data would be pushed into other systems. So you can build those workflows and rules, business rules within DBSync itself. Um, all right. So coming to, of course, the Shopify integration that we built out, and now this particular use case, I'd like to, of course, keep it a bit more generic. However, when we're gonna see the live instance, we're today gonna see Shopify and QuickBooks online integration. However, the same use case is applicable to pretty much any CRM, accounting, or ERP, and even database of your choice. So to start off with, we have built a Shopify integration, starting with all of your channels being integrated as different customers or accounts within your CRM or accounting. And all of your Amazon or eBay orders are directly integrated, and they're not. We're not creating new customers each time an order flows in. However, instead we are integrating those orders and allocating those orders to the specific channel that they're coming from. Simply because, of course, it's going to load up your QuickBooks or any accounting, software. But not just that, you can always, build your BI or analytics and reporting to see how your channels are performing, and run entire analytics to basically, better your sales channels performance. Next, of course, we have Shopify sales orders being pushed in to CRM, accounting, or ERP as an order or invoice. And lastly, products are bidirectionally integrated. And on the right, you see, of course, there's custom modules that can be built out if required. Like I mentioned earlier, we can build custom workflows based on your specific use case and requirement. All right. So with that being said, let me quickly jump into the live demo. Here is our landing page. So as soon as you log into DBSync, this is the page you land at. And once you click Development Studio, it leads you to all of your projects, and which is where you can manage all of the custom workflows and connector configuration. So with any project within DBSync, there are three modules to begin with. First one being your connectors. Now here I have Shopify and QuickBooks Online connector already configured. However, in your case, we could always swap, these endpoints, or even add multiple, 3N, 4N, or multiple end integrations, and build a complete automated solution for your e-commerce operations. So to start off with, we have our Shopify connector, which is very simple to configure. All you need to do is provide your credentials, and DBSync will do the rest. If you want to see how the configuration is done, you need to provide your store address for your Shopify account, your email address, and your password. That's pretty much all it takes for Shopify to be configured. Next, of course, we have QuickBooks Online here. And under advanced property, of course, you can give your OAuth authorization, or a quick setup. If you're logged into your QuickBooks Online, all you need to do is click on connect to QuickBooks, and it'll open up a dialog box wherein you can connect to your QuickBooks Online account. It's as simple as that. All right. So while this configures, Right. So we have our connectors configured. Next module, of course, is processes. Here is where all of your data integration, mappings, and transformation happens. For Shopify, we've, of course, built out a PDL wherein we have products to item integration and Shopify orders to invoices from into QuickBooks Online. Right. So that's pretty much about the Shopify pre-built solution. However, you can add custom workflows as well if required. Uh, you can add inventory modules and product modules, so on. Next, of course, is your scheduler. Now, DBSync, of course, is an iPaaS, so you would always prefer, we say the best integrations are the ones that you do not know are running in the background. And, which is where the scheduler comes into picture. You can set up, uh, intervals between which the sync needs to be invoked. We recommend about 5 to 10 minutes interval between each sync, and the sync will run in the background. You don't need to log into DBSync to invoke the sync at all. Everything will happen behind the scenes. However, if ever there's a need for you to, run the sync manually, you can always log into your DBSync account, come to processes, and hit the Run Now button. Last but not the least, of course, is our logs. Now, each time the sync runs, a log is created, and if at all if at all at any point the sync seems to fail due to any human error or any data error, you can always log into DBSync, open up logs, and troubleshoot to see what exactly went wrong there, fix it, and run the sync again. All right, so here I have an order created beforehand for this demo purpose, and we're gonna see this how the sync basically pushes this particular order into QuickBooks. While this opens up, I can quickly show you what products we have added to this order. So that you see it being pushed into QuickBooks. Also, we have a shipping address and customer details also added in. All right, so this order has been marked fully paid and it's ready to be invoiced. So I'm going to quickly run the sync now. On an average, the sync takes about less than a minute to run. However, if there is a lot of data, it can, occasionally take a little longer than a minute or two. You can always monitor the logs to see if the sync is running well, if it stopped, if it successfully went through. Kindly bear with me while the sync completes. All right. So I believe the sync is completed. And as you saw there, we had an order created. The total amount was 3481. You have your billing and shipping address. All of the details come in. You have your three products also come in. Similarly, the fact that it's been a paid order, automatically DBSync is going to create an invoice out of it within QuickBooks. So yes, that pretty much covers what I want to demonstrate out of our pre-built solution for Shopify and CRM accounting or ERP integrations. We look forward to hearing from all of you. If you have any questions or you would like to, move ahead with the solution, as always, you can reach out to us on our sales lines. Our contact details are mentioned on our website. And thank you. Thank you again for joining. Cheers. Bye-bye.